Hi everyone, I'm Geraldine, your host for this fall inspired video. And this is Diva Decorating. Welcome. So guys, today I'm decorating my fireplace and my bookshelves with some fall decor. So FESTGLOX reached out to me to do a review and share their beautiful pumpkin decor with my wonderful YouTube family. So I was more than happy to. I will also incorporate these pumpkins in my decor so you can see how they look. So grab yourself a beverage and a snack, sit back and enjoy the video. So first off, these pumpkin figurines are resin and they come in two sizes. The larger one, which one I'm holding here, is 5.7 inches tall and a little over 4 inches wide. And the smaller one is about a little over 3 inches tall and about 4 inches wide. They are white and gold with a shiny gold stem, and the frame is lined in gold as well, which goes well with the fall colors. They have a modern look to them, and they're weighty, but not too heavy weighted, okay? So you can use these for the fall season like Thanksgiving, Halloween, or harvest parties. You can set them in your coffee table decor design, your dining table decor as a centerpiece, on a vignette or on a tiered tray, or even on a mantle, which is what I'm going to be using them. I'm going to be using them on my fireplace today. So they're fade resistant, so you can use them in your outdoor display as well. Right now, they're 10% off on Amazon, and the link will be in my description box below if you're interested in purchasing them for yourself or giving them as a gift. Aren't they beautiful, guys? So guys, let's get to the good part and let's get started decorating. Okay, love, so this is how everything turned out. Starting with my little cage candle holders up there. You've seen these before if you've been with me for a while. I've used them last year as well, and I'm using them again. And that's why I always say go back to your stash. You don't always have to go out and purchase new things. So everything I have here is a mixture of things that I already had and only a couple of purchases that I made this year. So yeah, those are my cage looking candle holders, and I love them. They're so nice and beautiful. And I just purchased these candles though. They're in a burnt orange color from Hobby Lobby. It was a 3-set candle set. And as you can see, they light up. You can't tell that good. Let me move in a little bit closer. Maybe you can tell. You can see them better in the evening to nighttime. They give off a really pretty glow. And I just stuck the other one in my lantern here. So there's the other one. And this lantern, it's new also. It's also, well, it's from Home Goods. And I just filled it with a couple of mini pumpkins and some leaves in there. So I back up to the fireplace. As you can see, I have these beautiful pumpkins. These are the ones that I was showing you. And you can see how nicely they fit in with my decor up here. And my maple leaf garland, that is a new purchase also. Now, I did have another set of maple leaves garland up here, but I decided to go and purchase these from Amazon. And the reason why the other ones I had up here, they were lit, or whatever you want to call them. They had lights on them, and they looked too sparse to me, and I wanted a more fuller look. So I purchased these from Amazon, and I think that was a better choice for me. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this garland is when it comes to you, it comes like with the leaves mostly folded and bent. And you know, I know that's how leaves are in, you know, reality, but they're a little flat, and I probably going to spend some time trying to fluff them out some more to even give it an even fuller look. As you can see, yeah, you see how they're folded. Some of them are folded. I want them to be more open. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with them, you know, during the fall season and get those more fluffed up. And back here, this pumpkin, it is a pumpkin that was in my stash. It has a spiky look, and this came from Home Goods. And I think I purchased this last year, yeah. And I used it in my decor last year as well. I really love the look that this pumpkin gives. It has the little pine cones on top there, as you can see. And then it has some little crystals here, glass crystals right there. I think that's really, really cute. Now on the bookshelves, I decided to go in with my fall flowers, my picks, because they match the garlands so well. And this is not a new purchase. I've had these picks for a couple of years now, and they're from the Dollar Tree. The vase is a thrift store find. I've had that. And these pumpkins here, I think I purchased these last year off of Amazon, and it came in like a whole bunch of them, like maybe, I don't know, like 9 or 10 or something like that. And they were just plain white pumpkins. And what I decided to do was, because of the contrast, I wanted to make these really pop out. I didn't want white on white. So what I did was I took my little brush and I got my little gold paint, and I just drew the lines on here where the indications is at, and also on the stem of the pumpkin. And also they match my new pumpkins that I got from FESTGLOX. So yeah, I thought that was a nice idea to kind of tie that in together. Now this is a new purchase and it is from Home Goods. As you can see, it's a lighted pumpkin. It's the glass and it is so beautiful. I love the orangey glow that it gives off. It's really, really pretty at nighttime. And you've seen this box. I've used it many times before, so that's not a new purchase. Now in here, guys, I'm gonna let you off on a secret. First of all, the bowl I found at Burleson, so that's a new purchase. And I thought that was so pretty and sparkly and gold. And the pumpkins, they're from the Dollar Tree. I've been had those in the burnt orange color. Now look, I'm gonna give you a little secret of what I did here. Because I couldn't find any vase fillers around my house, what I did was I took a black garbage bag so you really couldn't tell something's down in here, and I stuffed that in there so that could hold my pumpkins up, because before I put that in there, they were just like falling down inside the vase, and I wanted them to really like stick up where you could see them. So yeah, that's what I did. And down here, my Z Gallery books, you know, I've had those for a while. I have them in the gold and white. I also have them set in the silver as well. So I'm using that down there. And I'm also using my Dollar Tree pumpkin that I purchased last year. So over on the other side, guys, I just mimic what I did on this side. So I have the same thing going on over here, so it looks cohesive. And I turned on the fireplace. And at night, this is really a nice fall feeling, because you have all the fall colors in there, and they give off such a beautiful glow at night. So guys, at this time, I want to thank FESTGLOX for sending me these gorgeous pumpkins. And I want to thank you for watching, my subscribers and my family. So guys, I will catch you in the next video. Be blessed. Stay safe. I love you. Bye-bye.